Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Parul. Today's makeup tutorial gonna be on this makeup look and it's very easy and quick makeup. Perfect for holiday season. On my channel you will find one more video for Christmas makeup look. If you haven't seen that one yet, please go and watch. I will put link in the info box below. If you guys would like to see how to get this makeup look, then please keep on watching. So time to prep the skin. I'm taking Embryolisse moisturizer and putting all over my face. Next step, I move on to primer, and for primer I'm using Makeup Forever smoothing primer. So I'm just getting onto my skin. It just smooths out the skin. For foundation I'm going with Tarte Foundation Clay Stick in shade Medium Sand. And blending with the brush. Once I got my foundation all blended on the skin, I'm moving on to concealer. For concealer, I'm going with my favorite concealer. You guys guessed it right. It is Too Faced Concealer in shade Vanilla. I'm putting on my usual areas under the eyes, little bit on nose, little bit on forehead, cupid bow, and on my chin. Then blending everything with Real Technique sponge. Now to set my base in place, I'm taking Huda Beauty loose powder in shade Pound Cake and applying where I put the concealer. I already filled in my brows of the camera. I'm setting my brows with Benefit 24-hour Brow Setter. Now moving to eyes, I'm using P. Louise Base number 2 as my primer. And I'm applying all over my eyelid. For eyes, I decided to go with Jaclyn Hill palette volume 2, and from her palette I'm taking the shade Hard Tone and I'm applying all over my eyelid. I'm giving washout effect. I'm slowly building up the color. For this eye look, we just need 2 eyeshadows to get this makeup look. And I'm blending the edges because we don't need any harsh edges, so I'm using a clean fluffy blending brush. And now I'm taking Maker Revolution Pressed Glitter Palette in Hot Pursuit and I'm taking the shade Fire and applying on my eyelid. It's a pretty shade, it's a pretty palette, but I struggle with this palette to build up the color. I need to go back several times. Maybe it's my first time as I told you, but I will give it a go once again and I will let you know my views on this palette. And now I'm dusting off all the baking. I put it on my face with my beauty blender. Taking the Huda Beauty eyeliner, I'm taking the liquid end. I'm creating a wing. It's time for bronze up the face. For bronzer, I'm taking Fenty Beauty bronzer in shade Eyelid Thing and I'm just taking onto usual areas where I like to bronze and contour. Now I'm taking this Morphe blush palette and taking witty and goals, and taking and pressing onto my apple of my cheeks. I like to go with big powder brush and blend the bronzer and contour together. For waterline, I'm taking the same Huda Beauty eyeliner, this time the pencil side, and applying on my waterline. To smoke out the lower lash line, I'm taking the same shade from Jaclyn Hill palette Heart On, and I'm applying on my lower lash line. And for eyelashes, I'm taking the Model Rock lashes. I don't remember the style name. I will leave it in info box below. For mascara, I'm going with Huda Beauty Legit Lashes, and I'm applying on my lower lashes. It's a very nice mascara. The hype is really real. For highlight, I'm taking MAC highlighter and applying on my highest point of my cheeks, on my nose, on my cupid bow, and same highlighter on my brow bone and on my inner corner. For lips, I decided to go with red lips to match my eyes and to match the Christmas theme. Firstly, I'm lining my lips with the MAC lip liner in shade Cherry and decided to fill my lips with the same lip liner. I'm taking Stila liquid lipstick in shade Beso. It's such a beautiful combination. And this is the end of this makeup look. How easy it was. I told you it's gonna be very easy and very quick. I hope you love this makeup look. If you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and please subscribe if you haven't yet. This means a lot to me. And if you wish to recreate this makeup look, please tag me. My social media account will be listed in the info box below. Do follow me there. For your convenience, as always, I'm gonna list all the products in the description box. And if you have any suggestion or you want a makeup tutorial I will create for you guys, please do let me know in the comment section. And I'm ready for the Christmas. You also get ready for the Christmas. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas. Bye. Love you. Mwah.